Hey, what's going on, guys? I've got a 2007 Honda Accord, and I'm going to show you how to change the low beam bulb. So this is going to be a 9006 bulb. Take care to not touch the glass with your fingers, or it's going to make it fail prematurely. And you can get at the bulb inside of here. So in order to disconnect it, you just push back on the tab here, and it comes down, and you rotate it clockwise. Or sorry, counterclockwise, and it will come right out. So take the new bulb, and you're gonna snake it in through here. So push it in and then turn it with some force. And that's that. The one on the driver's side is very similar. You may wish to remove the battery in order to get to it. Give you just a little bit more space. Let me know if you guys have any questions.